All right, so this is a different diagrams. I can show you this one, and you can still do the sticker program. I'm going to go from here to here in the 3 bounds. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, you have to find the viable path that you can get there with 3 bounds. So you're looking for something that you go in and then out in the same direction, same angle, right? So I don't know, maybe go like this. And no, that's not gonna work. So let's go this way first, maybe. Go this way, this way, this way, and this way. That probably would work. You can't really see the line. But so I'm going, so you basically, I'm going first this wall, and I'm gonna bounce this wall, and I'm gonna bounce this wall, and I'm gonna bounce this wall. Now I'm bouncing all the parallel walls, so that means the triangle is gonna get overlapped. So this will look a little, but once I decide the path, I'm gonna hit wall, this wall, and this wall, and this wall. You start with the goal, okay, and then you're going to reflect the last wall that you're going to hit. So that's the last wall you're going to hit. You're going to reflect this goal to over this line and make a perpendicular bisector, and then you need all these tick marks. Okay, so the first one is 1 tick mark and right angle. Now the second wall I'm going to hit is this one, so you're going to extend this one, and it's lining up with this wall, and then this point, that's where the ball is right now. Okay, you have to reflect this ball over the next wall that you're hitting, which is this. So you're going to go this distance by the same amount on the other side. Okay, and then this one's gonna have 2 tick marks. Okay, and then now the last wall I'm gonna hit is this one. So this is the same wall as this one right here. Right? So now you wanna, now again, this is the second ball. You have to reflect over here and then the other side. Okay, now this one is gonna have 3 tick marks. And then, oh, I forgot the right angle here, and then right angle. This wall right here, so right angle here, right? And this is the point, the final point that I'm going to aim from the origin. Okay, so now I'm gonna start drawing the actual line that I'm hitting. So maybe I use a different color so you can see. All right, so from here I'm gonna go to the first aiming point. Now this is the distance the ball is gonna travel. You have to match up with all the distance that it's gonna travel. This is the distance. Okay, and then from this intersection of this line to the first wall I was gonna hit, I'm gonna connect to the second point, reflection point, and I'm gonna go here. Okay, and now from here I'm gonna go to this reflection point. So it's actually, I probably didn't do the right length, but based on my line that I hit, I actually gonna hit the wall. But anyway, and then from here you're gonna go this one. So I probably didn't have an angle. Now I'm gonna go over the wall. Look at that. But that's the idea. Okay, so let's say that this wall was more like this, you know, and then this wall was more like this, then I'm fine. Okay, so the key point is, first you're gonna find the path that would work, that looks like work, and then start from the goal, reflect over the last wall you're gonna hit, which is this wall, right? And then reflect over the second wall you're gonna hit, and then reflect the point over the third wall you're gonna hit, and then that's the point, because we are bouncing 3 times, you're gonna reflect 3 times, and that's the first point that you're gonna aim from the start. And then aim, and then where you cross the wall, that's where the ball is gonna hit. Aim to the other reflection point. This is the next point, and then aim, and then you get it. Okay, now I have another one, which is, I just draw it by hand very quickly. This is a lot easier to visualize. So like the one in the quiz is a lot similar to this, and then you only have to do 2 bounds, but this one I'm going to show you 3 bounds, so that And then this one I can do it without bouncing the parallel wall. So it's this one, because the triangles are parallel. You see this is the first triangle, right? First congruent triangle, and the second congruent triangle. Always the line that cuts the two triangles equally is the wall that you're hitting, and then this is the last one, right? So the three triangles are overlapping because I'm hitting the parallel lines. If I hit the perpendicular walls, triangle is not going to overlap. So watch. So here I think I can go like this. Is it? Yeah, something like this, I think. No, that's not going to work. So let's go this way. This way. Now again, you have to look at the angles, so I need to come out a little bit more acute if I want to come out acute. And then like that. And I think that would work, right? So that's 3 bounds to get there. Okay, and then I'm starting here, and then the goal is here. So once you determine the rough path that you want to go, you got to start from the goal, and then reflect this point over the first wall you're going to hit. I'm sorry, the last wall you're going to hit. So go over about the same distance, give a tick mark, and perpendicular bisector. Now, next wall that you're going to hit is this one. So extend this. And then you want to reflect this point over this wall by the same amount. Like that. 2 tick marks and right angle. Now, I'm going to hit this wall next, right? So you're going to extend this, and then this point, you're going to reflect over this wall. Okay, so about the same distance, maybe a little bit more, right? Like that. So this is where you're going to go, and then I'm going to give 3 tick marks here, and right angle. And then this is the original point that you're going to aim at from the start. So you're going to do the line of aiming. From this intersection, you're going to aim the second one. From this intersection. Okay, and then from this intersection, the wall, you're going to aim the third wall. And then from this intersection, you go there. So my original line was pretty close to the actual angle that I had to hit. And so this distance, the original aiming distance, is going to be the same as sum of this plus this plus this plus this. I have 1 congruent triangles here, the other congruent triangles here, and the other congruent triangles here. There are 3. Okay?